Could the tides of war ever change the course of a river? And what might happen when that river overflows its banks and spills into the sea? This is the question we find ourselves grappling with as we delve into the recent events unfolding in Yemen and Palestine. Going back to the tail end of 2023, we find the US Navy helicopters engaging in a deadly dance with Iran-backed Houthi fighters in the Red Sea. A cargo ship, the Maersk Hangzhou, became the stage for this confrontation. After a hail of gunfire, 3 Houthi boats were sunk, their crew members lost to the sea. Fast forward a month, and the US Navy had a carrier strike group sailing towards Israel, a response to the surprise attacks launched by the Hamas militant group. The USS Gerald R. Ford, the Navy's most advanced aircraft carrier, spearheaded this formidable flotilla. Yet the waters they navigated were fraught with potential danger, as Hezbollah, a Lebanon-based militant group allied with Hamas, possessed a significant arsenal of anti-ship missiles. As we stepped into the dawn of 2024, a shift in tactics emerged. US forces near Yemen began targeting Houthi missiles before they could take flight. Instead of merely intercepting missiles and drones, they began to strike back directly. This new approach was a clear signal of intent. Then came the news of a fresh missile strike against an American ship, the Chem Ranger, in the Gulf of Aden. Yemen's armed forces claimed responsibility, stating the attack was in support of Palestinians in the Gaza Strip, who were under a brutal onslaught by the Israeli regime, backed by the US. The response to the US-UK aggression, they declared, is inevitable. Any new attack will not go unanswered. Their stance was clear. They would continue to defend Yemen and support their brothers in Gaza. These ongoing conflicts, like a river, continue to shape the landscape of global politics. The waters are turbulent, the currents unpredictable, but as we've seen, even the mightiest of rivers can change direction, and even the smallest of stones can cause ripples. In summary, the events unfolding in Yemen and Palestine are a complex dance of power, politics, and military might. From the US Navy's confrontation with Houthi fighters to the missile strikes against American ships, these incidents highlight the ongoing struggles in these regions. The question remains, will these tides of war ever change their course, or will they continue to overflow their banks, spilling into the sea of global unrest?